Today we will have a practice for the back. Hello dear friends, welcome to Simple Yoga with Natalie. I'm Natalie and this is Oopsie. Oopsie, do you want to say hi? Hi! Join me on your mat and we'll start with the lotus pose. In this lotus pose, we'll start with a few breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale one more time and exhale. On the inhale, reach arms overhead. Exhale, cactus your arms, release. Inhale, exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, exhale, and release. Now reach one arm to the sky and bend toward the midline. So inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale, come back to center. We'll do this on the other side. Inhale, exhale, bend. Come back to center. We'll repeat that for 2 rounds. Inhale, reach arm overhead. Exhale, bend toward the midline. Notice the sensation on the side here. Inhale, come back to center. On the other side, inhale, exhale. Notice if there is the same sensation on this side during this stretch. Inhale, come back to center and release. One more time. Inhale, reach up, exhale, bend. Inhale, come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Here, take one more breath. Inhale, exhale. On the inhale, reach your arms overhead. And now imagine that your hands are like your feet and that there is a ladder just in front of you that you're climbing with your hands as if they were feet. So let's go ahead and climb with your hands or feet. Reach, 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 reach. Do this for a few seconds. This generates some little moves in your back. Notice how it feels. So we're climbing that ladder, going up and up, up again, up. Draw your navel in, keep the spine long, and continue climbing. Reach for the stars. Let's reach for the stars together. Continue to climb. Just a few more seconds, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Great. That's perfect. Let me know how it feels. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your hands forward, sliding them on the earth for a little extra stretch for the back. Inhale and exhale, come back. We'll do that again. Inhale, bring the hands forward. Exhale. You can go as far as your body permits you to go today. Just listen to yourself. Notice what feels good in your body. Inhale, come back. Inhale, move forward again, and exhale. And now bring your hands to one side of the body, sliding them on the earth. Inhale, come back to center. We'll do that on the other side. Inhale, slide them to the other side. And exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Inhale and exhale, come back to neutral. Now bring your hand to the opposite knee. Twist your body. Move toward the back of your mat. Place your other hand to the back. And stay here in this twist. Gaze onto your shoulder. Breathe in and out slowly. We'll stay here for 2 more breaths. Continue to keep the spine long. As you breathe, notice if you can go just a little bit further into this twist. 1 more breath. Inhale. Come back to center. We'll do this on the other side. Bringing your hand to the opposite knee on the other side. Inhale. Keep the spine long. Inhale and move into this twist. Exhale. Again here. Breathe in and out slowly. For 2 more breaths. On the next inhale, come back to center. We'll pause here just for a few seconds to just notice the sensation you have in your back. Now we will move into cat and cow. So come on all fours. The wrists are underneath the shoulders and the knees underneath the hips. Going into cat, inhale and exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Inhale, come back to neutral and then arch your back. Bring the tailbone to the sky. Open your chest. Continue to be aware of your breathing. Inhale and exhale, round your back. Inhale, exhale, arch your back. And 1 more time, inhale, exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Inhale, exhale, open your chest. And come back to neutral. From here, we're moving into child's pose. Keep your knees apart. Big toes are touching. You can extend your arms here or bring them to the side. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Just take a few seconds here just to thank your back for what it allows you to do in your everyday life. The earth is revolving around the axis, and your spine is the center of your universe. Your spine is the center of your whole universe. Show gratitude for your back. Just take a few more seconds here just to be aware of your breath and be grateful for it. On the next inhale, we'll come back to the lotus pose. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. Thank you for taking the time for yourself today. I'm Natalie. This is Oopsie, and I wish you a wonderful inner journey. Namaste.